Hey guys, it's Gary. Anytime you work with a client in real estate, there's always a huge risk. Everything you do has risk involved. But the risk now that has been elevated due to fraud, impersonation has just skyrocketed. Just last week, Erica Lybrand in our office, she's one of our title attorneys, we were able, with the help of a paralegal, to stop two massive seller impersonation frauds on vacant land. And had these frauds gone through, it would have been hundreds of thousands of dollars that the buyer would have lost. And we know how this game's played. When a buyer loses, they lawyer up, they start suing you, they start suing me, the law firm, trying to say everybody was involved should have done something differently. It gets a point that there's nothing more you can do when you do as much as you can. But what we're going to talk about in this podcast is how we were able to stop it, what the closer did to figure out it was fraud, what Erica did right. We're going to talk about what the real estate agent in the transaction also did right, and then some more lessons that have been learned. Unfortunately, where you are now in real estate, simply relying on people to tell you the truth is gone. You cannot do that anymore. You have some affirmative duties, in my opinion, that you're going to actually have to handle now. So if a buyer or seller says, I want to sell my lot out at Lake Murray or at Lake Bowen or wherever, you can't just take their word anymore. You've got to do research. You've got to get driver's license. You've got to do some internet searching to see if these people are in fact who they say they are. Unfortunately, that's the world we live in, and it's getting worse. So we're going to talk about that this week on the podcast. I hope you'll learn a lot from it, and be back again next week with another good podcast. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend.